Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you my July Boxycharm. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a subscription box. It's like getting a gift every month of 5 full-sized either skincare, makeup tool items. Super fun. They do have different size boxes. I get the least expensive one. The base, it's $27.99. I get to choose one of the 5 items, and then the rest is just some fun surprises. I've had some boxes that I like better than others. Today, we're gonna see what I got for July. I will have all the information about Boxycharm in the description box if you are interested. One of my very favorite things about Boxycharm though is their drop shop, where you get to go in and get a lot of beautiful makeup items at a great discount. I've done videos where I've done nothing but Boxycharm goodies. Let me know if you're interested in doing an updated one because it's been a while since I've done that. I did incorporate some items on my face that I have gotten in past Boxycharms or in Boxycharm pop-ups. For example, I used my Dragon Beauty lip liner today, my Realher brow pencil. I'll have everything in the description box, but I did cheat and see if there were any makeup items in there so that as I go over the box, I can apply those items to my face. So if that sounds interesting, just keep watching. I'm opening the box, and in the box is a card that says Boxycharm status 000. I have no idea what that means. Looks like the first item listed in the box is from Alleyoop, and this was my choice item. I can't remember what the other one was, but I remember being excited for this. It says Stack the Odds, a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream blush, bronzer, and highlight for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for a natural glow. Retails for $38. So mine is in the shade variation called Sunkissed. The compact, very pretty coloring. You open it up, and here is this one, and then it turns. So we've got bronzer, blush, and highlight. Let's go ahead and swatch these. Super creamy. So this is the bronzer. Here's the blush. And here, up top here, is the highlight. Feels super creamy, hopefully not greasy, but I am excited to try that. The next thing that I got here is a non-makeup item. This is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It says here, clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture boosting, visible redness reducing ingredients known to soothe dry, tight skin. Inspired by the relief founder Kate experienced as a child when goat's milk helped alleviate her painful eczema. I do not have dry skin, but I will use this. If it's too heavy, I'll just use it at night. This one retails for $76. I do want to check out the texture. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty fluid in here. I'm just going to put my finger in the... It has a very, very light, clean scent, and it does not feel heavy, which is nice. I like that. Kate Somerville is a great name. I'm happy to have this. Next, we have the Jecca Blac Glow Drops. It says, prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. Apply all over face using your fingertips before your base. Glow drops can be worn alone or used as a buildable highlight when completing your makeup look. This retails for $20. Doesn't look like it has a shade. I'm going to save this either for a giveaway or for another video because this Alleyoop has a highlight that I will be using today. The next thing is beauty.for.certain. Here we go. This is a volume boosting, lash building, insta enhancing. I put on my mascara just to go to the bodega. What does that mean? It's all I need to get a bold look that makes it bang. That's beauty.for.certain. Retails for $32. This is exciting new brand for Boxy. That sounds awesome. It does say on the side here that it is a tubing mascara. So that is extra exciting because I like my Blink tubing mascara for my bottom lashes, but for sure I'll have this on the top and bottom today. And then the last thing we have, well, I am so excited. This is another makeup item. Wow, Boxy, yes please. This is the Beauty Crop. And it says here it's a liquid eyeshadow duo, dual-ended, long-wearing liquid eyeshadows. On one side is a creamy velvet pigmented matte formula, and the other side is a dazzling liquid glitter formula. Easy to blend, can be layered, mixed, or matched. A double dose of fun. Retails for $18. This reminds me of my Huda liquid shadow that I got also from Boxycharm that I love. I'm gonna open this up. Fudge on this side. And then on this side it says cinnamon. Okay, so here is the shimmer side. Okay, and then here is the matte side. Ooh, that looks like fun. Can't wait. I'm gonna get to applying these products, and then we will talk about the retail value of the box and my final thoughts. I'm gonna start with this Alleyoop product. Excited about that. Fun for travel. Look at that. Pops open and then folds out. So I'm going to start with the bronzer, and I'm just going to go in. Looks like a cool shade. Ooh, very cool. Not sure about that. It almost looks like a gray purple on my skin. I don't know. What do you think? It's almost too dark, but I think I like it. I like to go in with highlight before I go in with blush, so I'm gonna use my finger, I think, for the highlight. I'm just gonna put it there. The texture feels nice. It doesn't feel too sticky. That's what I was afraid of. And it's very subtle. I'm trying to build it up. Having a hard time seeing that. Very, very little. Subtle, subtle highlight. And then for the blush, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Putty Primer brush that I like so much. And there's something we can see. That's good. Carefully tap. I'm tapping this in. Could use your fingers. All right. I think it looks very nice. Let's jump into this eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the matte side first. And I'm just going to put it on the outer part of my lid. And go up a little bit. And let's see how this blends. I'm going to use my Profusion blending brush here. Take that gently over. I'm sort of leaving this part empty so that we can put the shimmer over there. It's going very lightly over the edges, but it seems to be blending very easily. Very good. I'm going to put this on the outside bottom, still using the matte. Seems like it gives you a little bit of time for blending, which I appreciate. It's not an immediate dry down. And then we're going to go in with the shimmer side. Blend. Even going with the finger just to make sure. And it does dry pretty fast. I feel like going in with my finger took a little bit of the sheen away. So I'm going to make sure this is completely dry, and then I'm going to go in with the second layer because I want as much shine as possible. I think it's pretty. It is a little softer than I was hoping. I thought it would have a little more vibrancy, but it's pretty. If you want a soft look, I will let you know if it creases, but so far, so good. I'm going to throw a little bit of my Shop Missy black gel eyeliner in the top. I also grabbed this really cool gold shade from CoverGirl. I got this in my Walmart beauty box. I will link that playlist for you. I've been really enjoying this one. It is in the shade Gold Metallic. I like that on my bottom waterline. And then I'm going to throw a little bit of my new Essence Lash Princess liquid liner on. I'll be right back. So the last product that I have here is this beauty.for.certain tubing mascara. And I forgot to curl my lashes. Let me throw a curl in them real quick. And I am very excited for this mascara. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, how cute. I like the packaging. Very cute. And then let's take a look at the wand. If you're not familiar with tubing mascaras, they don't flake or smudge, and they come off very easily with warm water. Wand looks typical, looks very nice. Let's go in. I'm doing a wiggle and a pull. Feels a little bit on the dry side. Looks like I'm seeing some length. I believe it said in the directions to apply a coat, let it dry, and then go in with a second. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. I am back and the mascara is on. First impression, I am not loving it. I followed the directions and waited for it to dry before I went in with the second coat, and when I did that, it was really hard, like it wouldn't go on the lashes very well. So I thought, I'll do it my normal way, where I put it on, I wait 30 seconds or so, and while it's still a bit damp, this is what I normally do, I'll go in with my second coat, and that is where the magic happens. This I struggled with, following the directions, but then on the bottom, I didn't wait, and I went in 30 seconds or so afterwards, and then it was very, very sticky. So I'm not sure. I made a mess on the edge of my eye. This is sort of turning into a bit of a problem, because I'm noticing on my eyes that there is definite, see if you can see it, there is definite crackling and creasing and tightness on my eyes from the eyeshadow. So not sure I'm a fan of this either. No. Alleyoop. I do like it. I'm gonna have to work on that bronzer, or contour is what I would call it, but I think it's gonna work out fine. I was a little disappointed with the highlight, so what I thought I'd do is I opened this Jecca Black, and while I will not use it underneath foundation, because that glowy underglow deal is not my deal, I'm going to try to put a little bit of this on my cheeks to see if we can get a little bit of highlight. Let's see. I don't want to put too much on, so I'm just tapping this. So see that? Let's see if it shows up when I tap it in. Yes, I can see that better. This I do like, and there's so much product in here it'll last me 600 years. Maybe I can wear it as a topper on eyeshadow. I'll have to play with it, but so far these two are the top two. This one I have high hopes for because it is Kate Somerville, and I know that is a very good brand. The other two, I'm not sure I would try this again. Maybe I'll try it again, because maybe it was the layering that was a problem, although it's frustrating when it says that you can, but you really can't. I will try this again. This, I will try it again, at least on my bottom lashes. I will keep you posted as to whether or not it flakes. It should not, and it should come off easily with water. Let me check the value of the box. My box has a value of $184. Was it worth it to me? I'm gonna say yes, because I think that I can make this work, and I am pretty sure I can make this work, and I can make this work. So to have two flops out of the 5 is not a bad thing. I hope that you found this enjoyable. Let me know, are you subscribed to Boxycharm? What size box do you get? What items did you get in your box for the month of July? Do you have a different opinion on these products. Did you get them? Did you like them? Let me know. I'd love to know if you got items different than me. I love to hear what other people got. I like getting Boxycharm because I think it's a lot of fun. It's like surprises, and as long as I get 1 or 2 items that make the $27.99 worth it, I am happy. What would I rate this box? I'd probably rate it a B-. I'm going to start rating my Boxycharm boxes. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. Come have some fun with me. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.